A very good morning to all. Welcome to science class. In the previous class, we had already studied about the soil texture, and we are studying that soil is a natural resource and soil texture plays an important role in this as a natural resource. We have also seen that the types of soil are sandy soil, silt soil, clay soil. Today what we are going to study is about the soil structure. The structure of the soil depends upon the different shapes of the particles in it. In the previous class, when we studied about the sandy soil, silt soil and clay soil, they had a different texture due to different sizes of the particles. Now again we will study about the structure of soil, which has different shapes of particles in it. The structure of the soil depends upon the different shapes of the particles, which occurs in the form of columnar, laminar, granular as well as block shaped. You can see in the diagram columnar soils. The particles are arranged as a set of columns together. Laminar soil, the particles of the soil are arranged as layers. Granular soil, small granule particles like structure in the granular soil. Block shaped soil, which shows a block, a big piece of the particles, and hence we are today going to study about the soil structure, which includes columnar soil, laminar soil, granular soil and block shaped soil. So we have to keep in mind that soil structure depends upon the particles of the soil. Now we will study the importance of soil structure. The fertility of the soil depends upon the soil structure. Now, as we know, the soil structure depends upon the different shapes of the particles. So depending how the nature of the particles are, the fertility of the soil is decided. The advantages of the good soil structure are as follows. Roots get a sufficient supply of oxygen. That means if the soil structure is good enough, it is fertile enough, roots get sufficient supply of oxygen. Water drainage is good. That is, supplying of water becomes good and roots have good growth due to continuous water supply. Now what we will study is about plant conservation. Now the most important and the practical use of soil is about the plant conservation. Conservation is to protect. So the first and the foremost importance of soil, it helps the plants to grow. In this technological and advancement field, we cut down the forest and we are building up industries, and as a result there is reduction of plants. Now the most major role of soil is to conserve the plants, protect them and help them to grow. The second use of soil is water conservation. Soil holds water. As a result, by means of bunds and lakes, we can get water to use throughout the year. As we know, in India, the rainy season lasts for only 4 months. Then we are supposed to complete our needs for the remaining 8 months. A solution to these issues are, we have a solution to this as water conservation, and soil is a aid for us to conserve water. Soil holds the water, and due to which bunds and lakes are formed, and this stored water is then allowed to use for the entire year. So not only to grow plants but also to conserve water, soil plays a very important role, and hence it is known as a natural resource. Another use of soil is the plasticity. Basically, plasticity is defined as getting different shapes. Soil can be given any required shape. Hence, this property of soil is called plasticity. Because of its plasticity, we can use it to make articles of variety of shapes. These articles can be baked to make them hard. Since soil is having the property of plasticity, to bring it into optimum use, the particles of the soil, the structures of the soil are baked so that they become hard and strong enough. These articles of the soil are also used for water storage, like the earthen pots, used for decoration, the earthen lamps, idols, bricks. Bricks are used for the construction. The houses in which we stay are made up of bricks. This is how you can see in the diagram that how pottery takes place. Because of the property of the soil of plasticity, the earthen pots can be given into different shapes and designed. So the soil is a very important natural resource due to its properties: plant conservation, water conservation, and its plasticity. You can see how soil plays an important role for its preserving the nature. I hope you have understood. Thank you, children.